All right, you guys, this is going to be my version of cheesy rice and broccoli casserole. As you can see, I have just pulled out of the fridge some leftover Spanish rice that I had made from the day before, some fresh broccoli, a can of cream of celery, and I shredded some Colby Jack cheese. Now, I'd say that there's probably about 2.5 to 3 cups of rice here. There is about a little over a handful of fresh broccoli, and I would say that I grated about a half a cup to a cup of the Colby Jack cheese. Now I'm just adding the whole can of cream of celery directly to the cold leftover Spanish rice. I'm just going to get that all mixed in together before I mix in the rest of my other ingredients, being the broccoli, and I'm going to reserve a third to a quarter of the cheese so that I can put it on top after. So as you can see, I'm just going to mix in most of the cheese that I had shredded to the side. Of course, you can adjust this depending on how much or how little cheese you would like in the dish. You can also completely leave it out if you're not a fan. You can see here that I set aside the larger pieces of broccoli. I just decided that they were a little bit too big and I already had enough, so I just set those to the side. And I'm just going to mix everything semi-thoroughly together before you see me add a little bit of pepper to the top. While I'm getting this mixed together, I had set my oven to 350 degrees. After I started mixing the ingredients together, I felt that the mixture was a little bit too dry for what consistency I was going for. So I added about a quarter of a cup of milk. You can definitely leave this step out. I just decided that I wanted a more moist texture than what I was getting. I just finished adding the cheese on top, and I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to taste. Once everything's ready to go, cover it up, pop it in the oven, which is preheated to 350 degrees. Cook that for about 30 minutes, then remove the lid for the last 10 minutes so that the top can get nice and brown. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you like it, please leave a comment down below, like my video, and subscribe. Have a great day.